Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari not loading web pages in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your Safari browser is not loading your web pages. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection. Then go back and just go to your settings, go to general, go to VPN device management. You just have to make sure that you have any connected VPN. If you find this, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, you have to go back and just retry to check if your issue had been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so just go to your settings here, go to app section, look for Safari app here, and you can try to clear all the website data of your Safari browser. Just scroll down and tap on this clear history and website data, then select all history and then tap on clear history. So once you have cleared all of your history and website data, you have to retry because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug or any malware with your junk files or your website data. It could be fixed in this step so you will not get the issue again. Or after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, it might be that there will be any restrictions on your iPhone or on your browser. Just open your settings app here, go to screen time section, and here just scroll down and look for content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. So once you have disabled your restrictions, just go back and here just go to general section, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, your issue will be fixed. You will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.